guys, so welcome back to Wigmas. So today we have this really pretty wig. If you guys are interested in getting all the deets, stay tuned.
Welcome back to the channel. So today's review is going to come from the Perfect Hairline. This one here is an older wig from them, and the name of it is Crush. I have it in this nice color 2T27. So I started to review this wig a while back, and I'm not sure why I never got to it. I did go ahead on and take the lace off of it, but like I said, I never reviewed it. So this is going to be the care card right here, and like I said, the name of it is Crush. This color is really pretty. I remember getting this color, I think, in two other wigs, but depending on the style of the wig depends on where that 2 and the 27 is. So this one here is blended throughout, but like I said, this is the care card and it's the Perfect Hairline. This one here, I think it's a 13. Yeah, it's a 13x6 hand tied lace and all that jazz, so you can do a couple different things with it. This is going to be the wig. And as you can see, the color is blended really well. It's blended throughout. So it kind of gives you one even color. You get these waves in here. They're kind of flat. So if you want to make it like bigger or make it where you got, you know, more volume, you probably can go in and do that. But it is kind of flat. So you get a couple different layers. This is the longest layer, and then you get a layer up in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to go in and, you know, make some layers around my face or something like that. So this is the lace, and it's from the Perfect Hairline, so you guys already know how the lace is. I had sprayed it just a little bit. I may put a little bit more spray on there, and then you get a strap in here. You get two adjustable straps in the back, and then you're going to get 3 combs. 2 combs on the side and then 1 comb in the back. So it's just like the rest. I think I'm going to spray a little bit more on here just so that we can tint it just a little bit more. And if you guys haven't caught this one here is a $28. It's literally a throw and go. It's from Bobby Boss, and I want to say the name of it is Moana or something like that. This one here I either reviewed yesterday or the day before, but I will leave the link below. So if you haven't seen this one, because this one here is really natural. It's bigger, but it's a nice wig as well. So let's go ahead on and let's get this one on. I'm not sure if we're going to have to glue it down or if we can make it a throw and go, but let's go ahead on and get into it.
Okay guys, so let's get into it. So I decided that I wanted to make this wig a up down because it was really flat. So if you like it flat, you guys are going to really like this wig. I just wanted to add a little bit of height because I feel like I have a bigger face. I always want a little bit of height. So what I did was I went ahead and put it on the mannequin head, and then I decided to part it and put it in a ponytail. I was unsure of how much I was going to need to put into the ponytail, but I figured I can go ahead and start it. So I took some spray, I took my hot comb, and I went ahead and did the edges, and then I went back in, took out those hairs that I took out, and then I just cut them down. Now this hair is so soft that it was easy to and pliable, that it was easy to get the swoops in the front, because sometimes, girl, that's a struggle. So after I sprayed it and everything, I got it on, and I used the combs on the side, and I made it just a throw and go, you guys. I didn't glue this down or anything. All I did was spray it in the front and lay the baby hairs down, and I'm gonna put the blow dryer on it. As you can see, it came out really good, so you don't have to worry about gluing it down. I did go in later and readjust the ponytail so that it could be a little bit more back, and it would have a little bit more hair in it. This hair is real nice. I like it. I think that, I don't know why I slept on it for so long. If I was to get it in like another natural color, I think I would like it even better because it's nice and flat, and it gives the appearance of not a wig, maybe like a sew-in or something like that. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for my pros and cons. But yeah, I think I'm liking this one. I'm definitely liking the color.
The final look for this, and I like it like this. I like it pulled up because it gives it a little bit of height. Because the hair is really flat, which is a good thing. To me, when I had it down, it just made it like too flat. So I feel like pulling it up and giving it just a little bit of height with the ponytail makes it look better to me. The hairline on this is phenomenal. Like, I didn't have to do much with just spray it, and as you guys can see, it pretty much blended in. I could probably go with a little bit of powder in the daylight just so that I can, you know, maybe make it blend a little more. But the hair on this wig is so soft that once I put the products on there, it just kind of swooped itself pretty much. A lot of times I can't get these swoops right, they be all over the place. So yeah, this one came out really nice. I like it, and I like the density on it. Once I went in and made it, like gave it some height, I think that the curls on here is really pretty. It's very subtle. I had this wig now for a while, as I probably mentioned, and I just never reviewed it. I think I took it out one time and got ready to review it, and as you know, all these wigs just keep popping up and coming, and then I moved on. So I'm glad I was able to throw it in Wigmas. Hopefully you guys can still find it. I will definitely leave you a link below as to where to find it at. But yeah, this one here is really nice. No shedding. Density is natural. Even though it's long, it's nice and natural, so you can get underneath it. So to me, that's like hot weather approved, because if you can get underneath it, you can get some ventilation. So I like that. So you guys let me know if you have this one or you reviewed this one. If you're one of my YouTube babes, what do you think about the color? Do you like how it transitions? I like the transition. I hope you guys can see it. I like the transition. I like the darker here and how it gets light at the bottom. I like that. I think it's really pretty, and it's not too loud. So yeah, so let me know if you guys like it. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. Return subscribers and YouTube babes, thank y'all so much for catching Wigmas. You guys, I appreciate you guys watching, sharing, and everything. This month we are packed with nothing but reviews, and vlogs. So you guys, thank y'all for so much for supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me, and I appreciate it. So go ahead on and hit the subscription button. Don't forget to hit the bell and all, so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.